All we need is 3 ingredients: frosted cookies,
8-ounce cream cheese,
candy melts. All we need are 3 supplies:
a mixer.
Kebab sticks, my favorite sprinkles.
Step 1, put in the cookies.
Step 2, put in more cookies. And step 3, add even more.
Just drop it. The next thing to do is mix.
Next step, cream cheese.
Wait.
Step 4, mix again. Mix. So once we need to blend it again, mix it all the way through. You can use whatever you want to scoop this dough.
An ice cream scooper,
A regular spoon, a plastic spoon.
Okay.
Okay, so all you need to scoop it, and
Just like-
you take it out of the spoon, then you roll it up. Then once you're done rolling it up, you set it on the pan. Like that.
to roll it up, you
I'm saying it. No, I will. Wait, to ball it up, you don't need to squish it. You need to roll it with the palms of your hands. Gently with the palms of your hands. You can ball it off softly with your palms of your hands. And then all you need to do is place it on the pan.
You can make it in any size, but about this is pretty good.
I have a joke for you, Charlie.
What?
Look under there.
Underwear.
You said underwear. You got me there. Do you know what a teddy? Hey, Colbie. Do you know what a teddy bear eats for Thanksgiving?
What?
Stuffing. That one is a dad joke.
Hey, what do you call
That's nice, man.
okay, what do you call a sheep with no legs?
What?
A cloud.
Knock knock, Charlie. Who's
Knock,
there? Mr. Cow. Mr. Cow.
Moo! I have a good one.
What?
So, Zoe, or you guys,
Yeah.
what do you call? No. What do you call? Oh, I forgot how to say the joke. It was like,
What do you call a duck?
what do you say when you come across 2 animals in a bad mood?
What?
Oh, he's like, oh, sorry. Okay.
So silly.
What do you call an angry sheep and an angry cow?
What?
2 animals in a bad mood.
Okay. What do you call a duck that covers his butt with feathers? What?
You said no. It's
Oh, yeah.
it's why does a duck have feathers on its butt?
Why? To cover its butt quack. Butt quack. Hey, Colbie.
What?
What do you call a duck? Duck when it wins a game.
What?
I'm so quacked. He just said it. I'm so quacked.
Nice.
I think that's almost good. Oh, she's making a new line. Oh man, this is mushing into my hands. Now my hands are all dirty. Hey, we can eat it. It's fun. Yay. No, thank you. Yes, thank you. Free samples. Free samples. you want some free samples?
Free samples off my fingers.
Yes, here you go. Okay, that's kind of weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And like these two. Put those over here, like closer together. You know what I mean? Yeah, like right down that way.
And here, try right here. Okay.
A few more. Oh wow, that gave us like a lot of space.
See, I told you to put it together. Then you have so much more room, so we don't have to waste any dough. But we barely even have any more dough. Oh, yeah. It's okay. Izzy out of the kitchen. Now you have to put it in the freezer. Now melt the chocolate. Oh, it's ready.
Okay, do you want to stir it?
Sure. And then stir it. I think it needs a couple more seconds. Probably 30 more seconds. It's like block still. So first, we're gonna dip the tips to make it stick. Now, because you've done that, you want to tip it and put it in one of these. Then once you do that, you would want to grab it, push it through enough so it doesn't fall. Then you dip it in the chocolate. Back on. Can I put it in? On. Teacher. Oh no, come on. Oh no, it's okay. It's falling away.
Just put it down first. It's still dripping.
You can tilt it a little, and then it'll help it get on.
There we go.
And then
Here, wait.
this one.
Watch out, John.
And when you put it in the tub, you want to tilt
good.
it a little.
That's your first one? Yeah. You're putting so much.
There you go. Whoops.
I hope these are better than Starbucks. I think they are.
And then you might need to put on the sprinkles before the chocolate dries all the way. So let's just like open. I want to do this pink powdery stuff.
Perfect. Ooh, those are pretty. Power girls. You know, you can also put it in your hand and then sprinkle it. So you can go like, pew, like that salt and pepper guy.
Just salt and pepper guy.
Most to the ground. And if they run out, we also got more. All these have extras.
There you go.
I want some of this pink. Sorry. We're almost running out, so maybe we should get the extras ready. Pigs are covering it. Is this edible?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
E.
Should be good. Oh. I'm so silly. Ah! Why am I screaming?
Actually, I'm gonna set that one right there.
We're almost running out, so we're making extra.
Then you just want to like sprinkle it on. Gussie started laughing.
Time to enjoy. These are way better than Starbucks. I'm out.